Welcome to another skateboarding channel. We're off on another trip around the world, starting off Battery Park in South Africa. It's a really well built skate park, super smooth. It's got a little bit of everything going on.
We're at the new park, waterfront, open today. But I've been here even before it opened. Nah, cut that out, cut. I don't want people to know. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You gotta get your flow right in this park. Small obstacles, but it's good for learning.
Well, there you go. What a place. Now we're off to India. Totally different vibe. Check this out. What this man's done out there, I think is wonderful. We need more people in the world like this to push skateboarding. I think the best culture in the world is skate culture.
First thing that the skateboarding teaches you is that you're gonna fall, but the only way you'll succeed is by getting up and try again. And try again. Skateboarding has just been announced as an Olympic sport. I just wanted to be a small force behind this big movement. I saw the growing skate culture in India and I thought I'm so lucky to be alive when it's growing. So we have the North India's first ever concrete skate park. I wanted to get it done by the best. After my research, I found out Nick Smith is the guy who has awoken the Indian skating scene back 20 years ago, and he's the one who did the first ever skate park in Bangalore. I convinced him to come to India after 6-7 years of not being in the country. From start to end, we finished the skate park in 24 days with the help of these amazing skaters who are skating there behind me. In the skateboarding scene, I think every skate park makes a difference. It lets you forget those obstacles that you face when you're street skating, which is like cars, people. It gives you this platform to sometimes find your own self.
For now, we are very less. And slowly people see a skate park, they see people skating, they want to know what it is, and they want to know how it's done. So it ends up increasing the skater community.
Yeah, the modern skate park, it's pretty simple yet unique, because it's a 36-foot mini with a pump check around it, which is pretty neat. It's a really fun park and I enjoy skating here.
I started the skate park as an element to my adventure park, but it's turning out to be the main attraction. I think there is some unique properties that you cannot explain until you get on a skateboard. And being that platform where people can come and express their skill, it's just been a pleasure.
Well, much respect to those guys. Let's take a little trip now off to the tiny island of Jamaica. This has got to be one of the coolest bowls I've ever seen, if I'm honest.
The small area in Bull Bay where Jamnesia is pretty much like the original skate zone where most of the OG guys come from, you know? Jamnesia is a surf camp that my dad started in the land that his father bought before him.
Well, my name is Billy Mystic. I'm the president of Jamaica Surfing Association. I have my own little surf camp, Jamnesia Surf Camp.
He figured that there will be people who will come to Jamaica just for the surf, so he would set up a place for people to come and enjoy the surf, be safe in the hands of some locals.
Billy developed the surf scene, and now his son's developing the skate scene.
There's this guy named Carter. He always wanted to come to Jamaica, and there's no park here, so he figured he'd just build a bowl, and that was probably over 10 years ago.
I remember going past Jamnesia on the bus to school, watching them building it every day and just like wanting to be there, and then rushing home after school to see how far they have gotten, you know, as the days progress.
We'd see him skate that bowl and we'd think like, that's it, like we want to do that, just carve bowls.
I met Ivor, and then Ivor and I were similar age, you know, so we would always skate together, and we've been skating together ever since then.
I met Sean and Iowa, you know, they were like the bigger kids over me, so they would normally guide me. They had this skateboard in the back of their yard.
When that bowl was built, that unlocked like a whole different level of skating for the Jamaican crew, you know?
Yeah, and that was our first introduction to like anything transition.
Because we would always just be skating parking lots or driveways, but now we had legit transition to skate, you know? So that definitely brought the level of skating up a notch.
Actually a good feeling when you're going fast, you know, flowing on top of concrete, you know. As the years go by, the crews start to get bigger and bigger. You got the guys from in the town come out and skate with the guys from over Bull Bay, and then you have another small crew across from Boston.
Right now in Boston Bay, Portland, Jamaica, they built a small quarter pipe. This was the first concrete skate structure on this side of the island for the North Shore. This is a very historic place. When we used to come here for surf contests, we used to always bring boards and skate this in between heats. This is the only thing that they really have to skate. Closest thing to, you know, transition or any kind of skate park on this side of the island. So I guess the tourists that come over here just figured, you know, let's build something legit for the kids.
Thank You Skateboards has teamed up with the Flipping Youth and Concrete Jungle Foundation to build the Freedom Skate Park Youth Center in Kingston, Jamaica. This will be providing young people with a multi-purpose creative platform for education and youth entrepreneurship. 100% of profits from our One Love Jamaica deck will be donated to Kingston, Jamaica's first skate park and youth center.
Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, make sure you press that like button. It really does help us a lot. Done now.